everyone, I am Rashmi Pal, your sports teacher, and today we are going to do a very special yoga session only for children. So let's begin. Open your legs wide apart, stretch your hands towards your side, and what we're gonna do, we will paint a rainbow. So if you know the colors of rainbow, just paint it with me. Violet, make a big round circle. Indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Look up, you will see a very beautiful rainbow just above your head. Now we will paint one more rainbow, this time a little bit faster. So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Look up, there are two beautiful rainbows just above your head. Now it's time to say hello to the sun, because you know when the rainbow comes out, when it's rain and the sun comes out. So it's time to say hello. Stand at the front of your mat, join your palms together and say Namaste everybody. Now stretch your hands up and make big round circles towards the cloud and tickle the cloud, tickle the cloud. Now slowly come down. Now you are a ball. Just bounce, 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 bounce. Now take your one leg back and you are a grasshopper now. Hoppity, hoppity, hop. Take your another leg back and now you are a dog. Name your dog, name your puppy and just do wiggle, 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 wiggle. Now lay flat on your tummy and sniff the flowers around. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Now slowly come up into cobra pose. You are a cobra now. Now show me your snake tongue and do once again. Now slowly come up again in downward dog position and do wiggle, 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 wiggle. Now bring your right leg forward. You're a grasshopper now. Hoppity, hoppity, hop. Bring your another leg forward and bounce, bounce. Tickle your toes, tickle your toes. And then up, make big round circles. Watch the clouds. And then slowly join your palms together and say Namaste. So this was the one round of Surya Namaskar from one side. You need to do one more from your left side also, but this time we will do it a little bit faster. So again, join the palms together, hands up, make big round circles, tickle the cloud, come down, bounce, 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 touch the flowers around. Take your left leg back. You're a grasshopper. Then another leg back. You're a dog. Now wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Now lay flat on your tummy. Sniff. Now you're a dangerous cobra. Now come up in downward dog position and wiggle, 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 wiggle. Then bring your left leg forward. Grasshopper. Another leg forward. Touch the flower, tickle your toes, hands up, make big round circles, watch the clouds, and then join your hands. And what do we say? We say Namaste everybody. So we saw the rainbow, we say hi to the sun. Now I want you to be a star. Stretch your legs apart, stretch your hands, hold this pose for a while. And just shine. How the stars shine? Like this. And sometimes the stars dance also. Dance my little stars. Like this. And then slowly come to the center. And then relax. After stars, what do we see? I want you to be a cloud now. A big, huge cloud from a tiny cloud. So make yourself so tiny. You're so tiny. Then slowly come up, make a big, huge cloud. Oh, such a huge cloud it is. Now slowly relax. If you are in a garden, what you love to see? Obviously after flowers, it's a butterfly, I guess. So let's sit down in butterfly pose. Join your feet together like this. Move forward. Hold your feet and fly, fly, fly high. Now what I want you to do to paint your butterfly. Take some color purple, paint your feet purple. Take some color red, paint your knees red. Take pink color, paint your thighs pink. Take blue color, paint your shin blue. Take brown color, paint your tummy brown. Take some yellow color, paint your face yellow, full yellow. Now you're a beautiful butterfly. Now I want to see your wings also. So show me your wing. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Your another wing. Oh, it's beautiful too. Now this butterfly is going to fly very fast. Show me how fast you can fly. Faster, 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 faster. Oh my God, I'm so tired. Are my little butterflies tired now? Okay, let's sleep for a while. Good night, everybody. Good night. Good morning. Wake up. Again, good night. Good morning, everybody. Good night. Wake up, rise and shine, and then fly again. And then now we will relax like this. Relax your toes. And now I think we are hungry now. We will make a sandwich now. So we are going to make a sandwich. You need butter. So take some butter and spread the butter. Spread the butter. Spread the butter. Now take some chutney also. Taking some chutney and spread the chutney. Spread the chutney all over your feet, all over your bread. Now sprinkle your favorite thing. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Now we're gonna put some cheese on it. Put some cheese. Put some cheese. Put some cheese. It's very, very tasty. Now it's time to put some tomato ketchup also. Tomato ketchup, tomato ketchup, tomato ketchup. All over the sandwich, all over the sandwich. I think it will taste so tasty. Now we will take a big, huge bite of our sandwich. I think it tastes very good. Now our tummy is full now. Now we will relax. So we'll just sit like this in a relaxed position, keeping our spine straight. Sit straight, not like this. And we will do some breathing exercises to relax ourselves. Like take deep breath. Exhale. Take another big deep breath. Exhale slowly. Now what I want you to do, just imagine your tummy is a big balloon. So when you take deep breath, it becomes bigger. Then we will just puff the balloon. Okay? So take deep breath. Balloon is bigger now. And then once again. Check your balloon. Is it bigger? Then relax. So this was all for today. I hope this was a good yoga session. We will see you in the next session. Thank you so much.